This is a boat that came in and it needed an inner shift cable boot and an inner shift cable. It was almost impossible to pull the drive off. And if you could see down through there, he is about ready to lose his drive coupler. And if you actually look down through there, you can tell that the engine is way out of alignment. It's way too high. So what's been eating up that drive coupler is there's no grease on there and the engine's out of alignment. So this is just for future reference that we're putting an inner shift cable in it, and he doesn't want to pull the motor to fix this at this time. So